I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me. These last few days I've been afraid that I might drift away. I've been telling old stories, singing songs that make me think about where I've come from. That's the reason why I seem so far away today. There's a song in the heart of the people you'll meet on the winding way down to Kells Bay. Yes, a joke to be shared and a drink to be drunk on the winding way down to Kells Bay. And the green Kerry hills overlooking the sea, and the fuchsias are blooming so brightly and sweet, and the ocean could carry our worries away on the winding way down to Kells Bay. And the first to cross the threshold of that Isle of Hope and Tears was Annie Moore from Ireland, who was only 15 years. Isle of Hope, Isle of Tears, Isle of Freedom, Isle of Fears, but it's not the isle you left behind. That Isle of hunger, Isle of pain, Isle you'll never see again, but the Isle of home is always on your mind. Thus in the stilly night, a slumber's chain has bound me. Salt memory brings the light of other days around me. Oh, machrami ha, achlauna furach. Oh, nachrami ha, hanglaun bal yachem. Nachrami shama, saglauna furach. Chavai metuna, gliaun lurach machwe. While the north wind delivers its sermon of ice and salt, water and stone, by night and day we'll sport and we'll play and delight as the dawn dances over the bay. Sleep blows the breath of the morning away, and we follow the heron home. When the angel moves the clay he'll lose his wings at the dawn.